cut metal pipe, you use chop saw or CNC machine. Traditionally, people cut metal pipes using the chop saw, because it is low cost. It's very good to start your cutting project with it. But chop saw disadvantage is their poor cutting accuracy. So for delicate works, the secondary working is a must that causes the low efficiency. For example, many pipe cutting projects require two pipes to be joined together like this. But the chop saw do only the straight cutting direction. So for this work we need a second procedure. If the volume of cutting work is large, efficiency and labor cost will become a problem. So for this work type, CNC plasma cutting machine is the best choice. Firstly, CNC plasma cutting machine maintains cutting accuracy. I've brought you back in the picture. The tolerance can reach 0.03 millimeters. It can cut the crossing lines. It reduces the work amount for the welding coming part. And the working efficiency is the 10 times of that chop saw. Of course, the cost of the CNC machine is much higher than that of the chop saw. And if you are about to just start your pipe cutting project and you are not sure about the production method, our suggestions is to first consider the accuracy requirements and the second procedures. On this basis, balance the labor costs and the machine costs. If it is a mass production, we should also consider efficiency. I'm Anna, that's all for today. See you next time.